About a week ago, I built this coping sled. It's from a video I watched by MWA Woodworking. Link in the description to that video. He's got a really nice setup. He's got one he makes out of wood, then he shows you how to make one out of extruded aluminum pieces that you can order online. A little more expensive, but it's really going to be durable and last a long time. This is fine for my needs. And as you can see, this piece of polycarbonate rides up against the fence of my router table so I can guide the workpiece along. Now, alignment. With most of the designs and plans you get for these, or even ones you develop yourself, they mostly say to line up the fence, this portion right here, which is what your workpiece sits against, with the front of the sled. Now that's all well and good, providing of course that all the parts are drilled very precisely and mounted very precisely, because this is your datum, the front of the sled of the router fence. So the clear plastic piece here rides up against that fence, so that's your datum. If you want a true 90-degree cut on your piece, this fence here has to be 90 degrees, perfectly 90 degrees, to the guide piece right here. So that has to be absolutely perpendicular, so that when you run it up against the fence, your datum, it's absolutely straight and flat into the cutter. So lining it up with here is fine, providing everything else is equal. But for the best results, line up the fence perpendicular or 90 degrees to the guide rail, so that when you get a perfect cut. So now I'll just do a test cut. This is not for a project or anything. The bit I have in there is an old beat up one. It needs to be replaced anyway. But I'll do a test cut now, and I'll show you what I mean about getting that 90-degree cut. Okay, like I said, that's just a test cut. I didn't adjust the cutter distances for a specific workpiece, and that's a pretty cheap, very many years ago bought rail and style kit, so I'm going to have to replace that because it's pretty worn out. But anyhow, so perpendicular between that and that. So let's take a look at, let's see, it will cut this way, and that's absolutely, I can't see it in the camera, but that's absolutely straight across. So, let's see the other way. Yep, that's perpendicular, that's 90 degrees. That's absolutely 90 degrees there. So that's the tip. Make sure that your guide fence, or on the coping jig, is absolutely perpendicular to the workpiece fence in here.